So today we're going to make a magazine for our vet centre. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, you are very welcome. Now this will be as a printable, and you will find it on your underneath this video in the comments below. There will be a link and you'll be able to just print it out. So I printed it out, and what I want to do is I want to make sure I leave this piece here and this piece here on the end, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to slice them right the way, get rid of the whole of that white line, slice the top and the bottom, but leave those two pieces there, and don't slice down this middle piece here. Okay, just get mine lined up. You want it lined up with the edge of the piece. So you can see when you line it up, you want to make sure it's lined up with the edge of the guillotine there. Mine just comes just slightly over this line of the, just slightly over that line of the plastic there. So lining it up with the edge of the plastic is no good because it does still get a white piece there. And then the same, I'll whip it around that way so I've got more of the paper to hold on to. And there should be 3 pages of this magazine. Okay, and you can put them in any way you want. What you need to do now is we're going to fold it. So we're going to fold it, fold this piece first. That's probably the easiest. Fold along there, like that. Come on. And then I'm going to fold here, so that that piece is in the centre. No, not fold it like that, sorry. Get that piece so it's centre there, and you should have that green piece touching that green piece there. Alright, do that one, and then do exactly the same. That one's going to be the op, so that will be the page there, and then this one will touch that one there. The purple will touch the purple. Okay, and it should sit nicely like that. Okay, and then just fold that piece out behind. There we go. Alright, like that. And then you do exactly the same to the next piece. So I folded all of my pieces up, and the way you want to fold them is so you've got that piece so it opens like that. Alright. So all we're going to do now is take some tape. You don't have to use tape, you can use glue, you can use anything you like, and we're just going to run a piece of tape right down the edge of that piece of paper. And you're going to have to say to the children when you tell them about the magazine, if it is going to children, that that piece doesn't open there. Okay, so and then we're just going to take that piece and we're just going to sit it exactly on top of the other piece. Now if you don't want those folds, that's fine, cut the folds off and you can just have the 2 blunt ends fitting together. Sorry, what you need to do is make sure it's absolutely lined up. That's better. Okay, and then you're just going to go ahead and you're going to line every single piece up. It just takes a while just to get them straight. There we go. You don't want to see very much of that white if you can help it. So get every piece lined up. Now don't worry too much if you've got a bit sticking over the top, because what we can do right at the very end is go along and trim everything off so it fits exactly. Okay, that'll just be because you haven't quite got it straight on those lines, so it will come and it will lay nicely. Okay, so get that like that. So then what you'll have is a book which just opens like this. Okay, like that. All right. So all I've done to finish off the little book is just to take a piece of cardboard which was larger than the size of the book itself. I stuck the first page onto it like that, and then I folded it over and put the glue onto this piece and pushed it together so it went down like that. Sorry, I did it with the camera turned off, but it's pretty easy. Just basically put some tape onto this piece here, stick it down like that, fold your book over. You probably do it a bit neater than me. Put some tape on this side, fold that piece over, and then push it down, and that will have it like that. And then I cut out the 2 pictures at the front and just stuck those on using the tape. the front and back. And there you have your little magazine all ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.